Yes, yesterday we were studying about ratios. Okay. Now today we'll study about equivalent ratios. Means equal ratios. Equivalent means equal. Equivalent ratios have the same value. Equivalent ratios can be written as equivalent fraction. Okay. Like this is a ratio 6 ratio 10. We can write it first 6 over 10, and then we will find its equivalent ratios. We may find many equivalent ratios. Here is just only one example of equivalent ratio, how to find it. Look at it. They are multiplying 6 over 10 with 3, okay? Numerator and denominator both, okay? 6 over 10. 18 over 30. 6 times 3, 18, and 10 times 3 is 30. You can get equivalent ratios by multiplying or by dividing with the same number, not the different one. Like as you can see, 6 over 10, they have multiplied with 3 and 3, or you can divide both by 2 and 2. Okay, 18 over 30 and 3 over 5. These are two equivalent ratios of 6 over 10. Okay, so you can say that 6 over 10 is equals to 18 over 30, or it's also equal to 3 over 5. Okay, now we will find the equivalent ratios. Here it's given to you. You will check they multiplied it or they divided it. Okay, then we will find the missing one. First question, Abdul Mohsen,
Yes.
tell me question number 15. 1 over 5 is equals to n over 10. What is the value of n and how did you get it? Tell me both. First tell me the value.
Okay, 2.
How did you get 2?
We divide 10 with 2. That it will be
Divide,
equal to 5.
listen. I will explain you more. Uh-huh. Wait. Yes. Look at here. Here you have 5. Okay. And here you've got 1. 1 over 5.
Okay.
5 is changing into 10. Okay. How can you change 5 into 10?
We multiply with 2.
Multiply with 2 times 2. It means here times 2 and with 1 also times 2. Okay.
Oh, yay.
Yes. 5 times
And
2, 10, and 1 times 2. Tell me, 1 times 2, it's 2.
2.
Yes. So
Now
that
solve
the
it.
answer is 2. Got it?
Yes.
Okay.
I can answer?
I will ask one by one, not like this, because I want everyone to answer one by one. Just a minute. Let me write here answer 2. Here 2. Now, the second one is small. 3 over 4 is
9.
equals to n over 12.
9.
How did you get 9? Tell me.
Because 4 times 3 equals 12.
Yes, 4 times 3
And
is 12. So 3
3
times 3.
times 3 equals 9.
Very good. So it will be 9. Very good. Now, Omar. No, Muhammad. First Muhammad, then Omar.
Uh, 10.
How did you get 10?
Because 3 times 5 equals 15 and 2
Okay.
times 5 equals 10.
Very good. 3 times 5 equals 15 and 2 times 5 equal 10. So it will be 10. Next one, Omar. Question number 18.
Question number 18, it is 4 because 2 multiply 2 equal 4 and 5 multiply 2 equal 10.
Yeah, so it will be 4.
4.
Oh, yes. Now, 6 over 16. Hassan, are you here?
I can answer.
No. Okay, Abdul Mohsin, you tell me.
Here, 5.
Sorry.
No. Down, right. Down, right, 2.
Down divided by 2. Yes, okay. 6 divided by 2.
6 divided by 2 equal
Equal.
Teacher, I can answer.
No,
3.
let him think. Yes, 3.
I was saying to you that
Okay, next one, Maz. 9 over 30. Okay,
3.
30 is changing into 10. Okay, how did you get that?
Because 30 divided by 3 equals 10.
Okay, and 9 divided by 3
Equals
equals
3.
3. Excellent. Is it clear? Okay,
Yes.
now Muhammad.
2.
Sorry,
2.
how did you get it?
Because 12 divided 4 equals 3. 8 and 8 divided 4 equals 3. Equal 2.
Equals to 12 divided by 4 equals 3
Uh,
and 8 divided by
Teacher,
4
I can
equals 2.
solve the
no, teacher, me. The
No,
last
no,
one.
me.
Omar, that's Omar turn.
But
You answered. Question number 22, Omar.
well, question number 22, it's 5.
Yes.
How did you get this
Yes,
5?
correct.
35 divided by 5 equals 7. So 25 divided 5 equals 5.
Excellent. It's 5. This is how do you calculate equivalent ratios. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Very clear.
Not.
Can we go to the
It's
next
very
lesson?
easy.
Yes, of course. Move to the next.
What is pro-
I explain you. Just a minute.
proprioception?
Okay. Now it's 13.2 proportions. Proportion is what? Proportion is actually there are two ratios and you compare them. Okay. Proportion is actually there are two ratios. When you compare them, it makes a proportion. Like a proportion is a number sentence stating that two ratios are equal. How? Some examples of proportions are given to you. Okay, I explain you the example. How did they do that? As you can say, with 1 liter of water, you can make 4 glasses. Okay. Same like this, you can say that with 2 liters of water, you can make 8 glasses. Okay. You can put in into 8. And if you have 3 liters of water, then you can make how many glass?
12.
12. Okay. So you can say 2 is to,
Teacher,
yes.
I know.
What do you know?
Number of liters make multiplied by 84.
Listen to me.
Big.
Listen to me. Just check in your book. Okay, there is a mistake. One mistake you need to correct that. Here at my book, as you can see, is it's written there 2 is to 5 as 6 is to 15. No, it's correct. This is another example. Yeah, I thought maybe it's the same one. Okay, it's correct. 2 is to 5 as 6 is to 15. You can say that 2 ratio 5 is equals to 6 ratio 15. Or in fraction, you can write, this is another example. In fraction, you can write 2 over 5, and this one you can write as 6 over.
Teacher, because we multiply 2 with 3, it will be 6, and we multiply 5 with 3, it will be 15. That will be equal.
Yeah.
Teacher,
Yes.
the liter multiplied by 4. This will give me the amount of glasses.
So where is
Sorry?
Yasin? Why is muted all the time?
I don't know.
Deleter
Okay.
multiply by 4. It will give me the amount of classes.
Sorry.
The liter
Yes.
multiply by 4. It will give me the amount of classes.
Which one? Yeah, up
Any
there.
number.
Yeah, up there. It will give you the number of classes. Here. I was looking at this example. Okay. Look at there. There are two ways to determine if two ratios form a proportion. What are those two ways? Let me remove this one. Look at there. Same are the, it's written there. Write the ratios as fraction in simplest form. Two ratios form a proportion if they can be simplified to give the same fraction, like 8 over 12 equals to 6 over 9. 8 over 12, both, as you can see that, uh, here they gave you an example. 8 divided by 4 and 12 divided by 4. They are dividing with the same number. 8 divided by 4 is what?
Is divided by 4.
What is written there?
2.
2. And 12 divided by 4?
3.
3. Another side, look at there. 6 over 9. Both are divided by 3. As you can see that 6 over 3 is equals to what?
Equal to over 3.
2.
If I didn't understand,
Which one?
is that like 8 equal 6 over 9. 8 well,
I explain you again. Okay. Look at there. If you have any proportion 8 over 12, 6 over 9. Okay. And you want to check them, are they equal or not? Okay. So what you will do, you will take the first ratio 8 over 12 and you will change it into simplest form. I'm writing here 8 over 12. Change it into simplest form. How can you change it? Dividing by what?
4.
Dividing by 4. Okay. And divide by 4. 8 divided by 4 is what?
Divided by 4 equal to
2. And 12 divided by 4?
3.
3. Okay. So here you got this 2 over 3. Okay. Now take the other value 6 over 9 and change it into simplest form. Okay. 6 over 9. Both digits are divided by what?
3.
Divided by 3 and divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3,
3.
it's 2. And 9 divided by 3,
3.
it's 3. From 8 over 12, you got 2 over 3. And from 6 over 9, you also got 2 over 3. Means 2 over 3 are equal. So that you can say that 8 over 12 and 6 over 9 also equal.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yasin answer.
Okay. Now let me remove this.
teacher, I didn't understand. Like 8, it will be equal 6 over 9.
Yes, both are equal. We want to check them. Are they equal or not? Okay.
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 Okay. So we will take first fraction, this one, first fraction, and we will simplify this into simplest form. Okay. And also look at there, as they did it here. They took first 8 over 12 and divided by 4. So it's 2 over 3. And then they took 6 over 9 here and divided by 3. So from 8 over 12, it's 2 over 3. And from 6 over 9, it's 2 over 3. You can say that, look at there. I explain you here on whiteboard. 8 over 12, the question is, and you need to check, are they equal or not? 6 over 9. Okay. So you will take 8 over 12. Now think, both digits are divided by what? Yasin, you answer me. Yasin,
Yeah, teacher.
where are you?
I'm here.
Concentrate here.
Okay.
You want to check them 8 over 12 and 6 over 9. Are they equal or not? Okay. You will take first one side 8 over 12 and change it into simplest form. Okay. 8
Okay.
over 12. How can you change it into simplest form? Dividing by what? As you know that, dividing by 4. Okay. So 8 divided by 4 is 2,
2.
and 12 divided
3.
by 4 is 3. Now 6 over 9. Okay. So 6 over 9 both are divided by what?
I divided by
3.
3. So here from all you will also get 2 over 3. Okay. So from 8 over 12 you got 2 over 3, and from 6 over 9 you also got 2 over 3. If 2 over 3 and 2 over 3 are equal, then you can say that 8 over 12 and 6 over 9 are also equal.
equal.
Okay. Now check at your book here. What can you see? You can say that here 8 over 12 and 6 over 9 is a proportion. So you can say that yes, fractions are same.
The proportion means like fraction are same.
Sorry.
Proportion means fraction are same.
Proportion means the two ratios, two fractions.
Okay.
Okay. Look at here. Next one is use the cross product rule. What is cross product rule? I explain you at whiteboard first. Okay, then we will, before studying at the book, first concentrate here. What is the question? Let me check the question. 1 over 9 is equals to 3 over 9. Cross product rule. 1 over 9. Is it 1 over 9 or 3 over, what is it? 1 over 9 or 1 over 3? 1 over 3. 1 over 3, not 1 over 9. Yeah. 1 over 3 is equals to 3 over 9. Now cross product. What is cross product? You will put here cross or multiply sign. What does it mean? You will multiply 1 with 9. Okay. Here the upper value and here the down value. 1 times 9 is equals to 3 times 3. 3 times 3. And check them. 1 times 9 is what? It's 9. And 3 times 3 is what?
9.
9. Both answers are 9. So you can say that 1 over 3 and 3 over 9 are equal. I give you another example. Let's say 2 over 5. Okay. And you will check them, are they equal or not? Here I will put question mark. Okay. 3 over 6. Now use cross product rule. This times this and this times this. Okay. 3 times 5 right here, are they equal or not? 2 times 6. Okay. 3
Not
times
equal,
5.
not equal.
3
not
times
equal.
5 is 15 and not equal to 6 times 2 is 12. So you can say that these two ratios or this proportion is not equal. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let me remove this. Now let's move to your book and we'll see.
This is easier way.
Yes, now we'll say that. Okay, explain the way you used, okay, to determine if each pair of fraction forms a proportion or not.
Teacher, can we use cross products, or we should use the
It's,
project way?
it's up to you. It's up to you.
We can use it.
We'll use the cross product.
Okay. So who will solve question number 1?
Me, teacher. Me.
Here the first one is shown to me was listen.
1 multiplied by
You will
18.
listen. What you will do? Listen to me first. Okay. 1 over 6 and 3 over 18. You will check them. Are they proportion or not?
Okay.
Okay.
1 multiplied 18.
Okay. No. Let him do.
3 equals 3 multiplied 6.
Okay. So what's the answer? Both sides.
1 times 18 equal 80.
Okay.
3 times 6 equal 18.
18. Both sides are equal. You can say that. So you can say that it's proportion. Right here, proportion.
I cannot write only equal.
No, right here, proportion. Proportion. Question number 2, Abdul Mohsen.
Yes.
Next one, question number 2. Tell me, is it proportion or not a proportion?
Not.
Why it's not a proportion?
Okay, yes, not proportion.
Why it's not proportion? I'm asking why.
Because if
Yes.
we
Because
if we multiply the 2
okay.
with 9,
Okay.
it will be 18. And if we multiply the 3 with 4, it will be 12. And if we divide
Yes.
3 with 9,
2 with 9, it's 18. And 3 with 4, it's 12. So both sides are not equal. It's 18 and 12. So you can say that it's not a proportion. Right here down, not a proportion. Right here, not a proportion.
Not a proportion.
Yes, not a
finish.
proportion. Proportion. Next one is Omar.
Yeah, okay, teacher. Number 3, not a proportion.
Why it's not a proportion?
Because 4 multiply 15 is 60 and 8 multiply 5 is 40.
So right here, not a proportion.
Yes.
Not a proportion. Next one is Hassan. He's not here. Muhammad.
Ahmad.
Muhammad is also not here. Abdul Mohsen.
Oh my God. Yes.
Question number 4.
Jamie.
Okay. Now, Muhammad, now you will answer question number 5. Abdul Mohsen, question number 4. Tell me, is it a proportion or not a proportion?
Not. No,
Why?
wait.
Okay.
15. Yeah, not proportion.
12 times 6.
12 times 6 is equal to 72.
72.
And
10
10
times 5.
multiply 5 equal 50.
50. So 72 and
Actually
50 are not
not
equal.
equal.
So yes. So write down there, not a proportion. Okay.
Okay.
Muhammad.
2 proportion.
What?
Proportion.
How is it
Correct.
proportion? Tell me.
Yes. 2 time is I make it
2 times 21 is what?
2 multiply 1, 2.
1
2 multiply 2,
42.
42. And 7 times 6?
7 times 6 42.
42 also. So you can say that it's a proportion. Write down their proportion.
proportion.
Okay. Use the cross product rule to determine which of these are proportion. Write yes or no. Again, the same thing. Okay.
Teacher, we can choose divide or multiply, yes?
You can use anything. Just check is it a proportion or not. Just write yes or no. Okay. 5 over 7.
Easy. 5 multiply 4. I am multiplying in my mind. 5 multiply 4, it's equal to
Listen. Look at this.
It's equal, teacher.
How is it
Yes,
equal?
equal,
Tell
equal.
me.
5 multiply 14 is 70 and 10 multiply 7 is 70.
No, not equal, not equal.
Equal, equal. They are equal of the motion.
I
Equal.
said you equal, you say no.
So write here yes.
Yes.
They said it's right here yes or no. So it's
I
yes.
will write only one.
This, yes.
Okay. This one, question number 7. As you can say that here, it's written there 8 times 25. 8 times 25 is what? 8 times 25 is 200.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And 40 times 5 is also 200.
What?
200.
Teacher?
40 times 5. It's 200 also. So you can say that both are equal. So you can say here, yes, they are proportion. Y-E-S, yes. Okay. Next one. Hassan, you answered me. Now,
Yeah.
question number 8.
2 times 22 is 44.
Here 2 times 22 is 44. Okay. 14 times 11. 14 times 10 is 140. And 14 times 11 is 154.
It's not a proportion.
Not a proportion. So right here, no. Very good. I'll write down here. No, they are not a proportion. Next one, Muhammad. Muhammad.
No.
Muhammad, are you here?
He say no.
Yes, I said no.
Okay. Why is it no?
Because 5 times 16
16 is
equals
80. Okay. And 39 times 3 is what? 117.
Oh.
No, teacher, I calculate it with another way.
Okay. So means they are not equal. It's up to you how do you calculate it, but they are not equal. Now next one. Missing numbers in a proportion. The same way as you did before in lesson 13.1, here you will use the same way. Okay. Find the missing number in the proportion. How will you do it? 3 over 4
You can
is
answer
equal.
the first one.
Question number 10, Abdul Mohsin first. Abdul Mohsin, tell me.
Question number 11.
You can use cross product rule, or you can use the previous method which we did before. Abdul Mohsin is not here. Hassan,
Yeah.
you tell me.
3 times 3 times 2.
Should I
need to.
explain? Okay, look at this. 3 is changing into 12. How can you change 3 into 12? Multiply by what? Multiply by 4. So 4 times 4.
16.
So you can use this method also. Okay, right here 16.
Yeah.
Let me remove this one and I'll write 16 like this. Here 16. Next one. Who will tell me? Amar.
Okay, hold.
Amar. Yes. Question number 11. 12 over 14. 14 is changing into 28 times what? Times 2. And 12 times 2?
24.
24.
I
16.
answer number 12.
Yes. Question number 12. Yasin, you answer me. 16 is changing into 4. Is it multiply or division?
Teacher, I can answer.
This is division.
Sorry?
This is 16 changing to 4 division, right?
Okay. Yes. Division.
So 16 will be, I think, it will be multiplied by 4.
Multiply by 4. 5 times 4.
20.
20. So here what will it be?
20.
20. So 16 divided by 4 is 4 and 20 divided by 4 is 5.
Can I answer again?
Moz. Let me ask from everyone. Okay. N over 15 and 6 over 10. You can use cross product rule or the method which you have used in the previous lesson 13.1. You can get the answer.
Cross.
Okay. If you want to use cross, you can use cross product also.
So,
Multiply.
It's up
6.
to you. How do you calculate?
Uh, 630.
Listen. How is it 630? 15 times 6 is what?
15 times 6.
90. 90
90.
degree.
90. And 10 times what makes 90?
9.
9. So the answer value of n will be 9.
How 600?
I don't know how did he calculate 650. Okay, right here 9.
Yes, teacher.
9.
Very new.
Next one, question number 14. 1 over 2 is equals to 2.5 and over what? Who will tell? You want me to solve?
What did you say?
Sorry?
What did you say?
Who?
What
Look at,
you say?
listen to me. Question number 14. 1 over 2.
Okay.
1 over 2 is equals to 2.5 over what? Should I solve it?
Yes.
Okay, I will move to the whiteboard and I will solve it here. Okay, we have question 1 over 2 is equals to 2 whole 1 over 2, okay, over n. I will use cross product rule. Okay,
okay.
1 times n, I will write here 1 times n is equals to 2 whole 1 over 2 means 2.5 times 2. Is this clear, this step? Okay, 1 times n, it's n. Now this one, as you can see that here, it's a mixed number. Okay, I will change mixed number into fraction. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. So you can say that 2 whole 2 over 2, you can write as 5 over 2. Can you write?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So I will change it 2 whole 1 over 2 into 5 over 2. Okay. Then times 2. If you remember, we had studied 5 over 2, and here you can write also divided by 1, because when you have nothing in the denominator, you can write 1, right? Here,
Yes.
2 and 2, same. There are two ways to solve this step.
Just 1 minute.
Okay.
Teacher, this than 1 minute.
Less than 1 minute. Listen to me. There are two ways.
Five.
There are two ways to solve. You can cancel 2 with 2. Okay. So you will have
Okay.
n is equals to 5. Means 5 times 1, 5. So the value of n is
It's
5.
five.
So write the answer
So
there, 5.
listen and 3. 2,
Okay.
1,
Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
3.